What makes an LED sign different from so many other marketing tools? You buy it once, and it keeps working across multiple uses without needing to be replaced every time your message changes. One LED sign can communicate pricing and availability, promote sales events, share schedules, post emergency alerts, support fundraising, and display daily notices. That is what makes it a true single purchase asset. Digital displays also outperform static signs in visibility and response. Digital signage is 47.7% more effective at raising awareness. It has a 400% higher view rate, and 62% of viewers take action after seeing a public digital sign. This kind of flexibility matters most for organizations with changing communication needs and tight budgets. Schools, municipalities, nonprofits, and parking facilities can all use one display for multiple messages instead of relying on posters, banners, and repeat printed costs. To get the most value, divide the display into content zones, scheduling messages by time or event, refreshing content regularly, and tracking responses so you can measure what is actually working. One investment can replace banners, flyers, repeated updates, and one-off announcements. That is why LED signs work so well as long-term communication assets that keep delivering value year-round.